Welcome to my technical analysis of EURUSD. In this video, we will delve into the recent price action and chart patterns to gain insights into the potential future direction of this major currency pair. Join me as we explore key support and resistance levels, trend lines, and other critical indicators to better understand where your USD might be headed next. The EURUSD is at a strong support level, so I expect that after a short sideways movement, it will break the descending trend line and aim for higher levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy trading!